Hello and welcome back. Now that your agency is officially set up for the first time, let's walk through how to create a location account inside Reviewly.ai. This step is crucial for demonstrating the platform to your clients, so we're going to use your agency itself as a demo location. If your agency has a Google business profile, that's ideal. We'll walk through connecting it. But if not, no problem. At the bottom of the agency training page, there is a link that's marked Sales and Marketing Materials. There you can get training as well as an AI-powered checklist to get you on your way. Alternatively, you can use a friend's business profile to run your first demo. For this video, I've created a fresh account just for this walkthrough, so you'll see exactly what your clients would see when signing up for the first time. When you log in for the first time, the dashboard is intentionally restricted. You'll see a welcome screen, support contact information linked to your agency's email, and a call of action to connect your Google business profile. At this point, the only option that the customer has is to continue with their business profile setup or log out. This ensures both clarity and compliance. To continue, click on the icon. This icon is next to Connect Your Business Profile. You'll select a Gmail or Google Workspace account tied to the profile. Then continue to authorize access. Here, you'll notice that the redirect either goes to Reviewly.ai or getnewfeedback.com. This setting can be changed. Just go to your white label settings and then choose your top-level domain. Changing this setting will allow you to better pick a domain that best matches your branding. Then once you have it connected, you're going to choose your business or client location. Verify address accuracy, especially if you're managing multiple branches. Then click Next. Now you're going to specify where the business is located. In this example, I'll select United States. This triggers a search for available phone numbers. Reviewly.ai uses Twilio to assign contact numbers for alerts and tracking. Popular area codes include 480, which is Phoenix, 602, and 201, which is the East Coast. If no numbers are available, try a neighboring area code. Twilio updates frequently, so retry if you need to. For this demonstration, I'll enter 906 for the area code. Then I'll click on the drop-down list and just pick the one at the top. This number will connect your dashboard to the business location. Customers never see the owner's personal number. Once you've entered the phone number, go ahead and click Next. Next, we're going to set our alert details. In the alert setup, you're going to enter the contact name. Then, you'll enter the mobile number to receive the alerts. Next, you'll send a test message to confirm delivery, and then click Finish. Now, you are on your dashboard with your starting metrics. And the total time to get this done, it's about 30 seconds, give or take. Now, let's explore the dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, here's what you can expect as the business owner. To see invitations and how many have been sent and to where, click on Invitations. As you can see, there is no invitation sent as this is a new account. If you'd like to go over the reviews, click on the Reviews button. Here you can see the reviews posted, their scores, replies, and how many clicks, as well as total responses. On the top of your page, you'll see that you have a tab for contacts, as well as a tab for feedback settings. We'll discuss those in a separate video. To adjust who gets the alerts, you can do that by clicking on the Alerts tab and adjust it from here. As an account admin, you also have the ability to review and manage integrations. If you decide that you want to manage the integrations for this site, click on the drop-down menu next to the site name, then click on Integrations. You'll see available options like HubSpot, Stripe, Zapier, QuickBooks, and API tools. These integrations are hidden by default. This is to preserve white label branding. You decide whether to reveal Reviewly.ai's name or keep it private. So now we can customize and automate your site. Each location has its own API key. The API key can be found by clicking on the down arrow, then clicking on My Info. Then you'll see the API key on the bottom of the screen. You can automate customer feedback generation And you can adjust or reconnect its Google Business profile if needed. If a client starts with the wrong address, you can update it and get the correct business information. Next, clicking on the drop-down menu, you also see an option for contact support. This will be the information that you have put in for your white label. You'll also see at the bottom of the screen that help icon is no longer visible for this location. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. If you'd like to send a feedback request manually, you can do that by clicking on the Send Feedback Request button. Here you can put the name of the contact and their phone number, and then click Create. You can also upload a bunch of contacts using a CSV file by clicking on the Contacts tab, and then Upload CSV. You will also see that the manual Send Feedback Request button is there as well. This is fast, intuitive, and it is business owner friendly. It is recommended that you encourage business owners to automate this setup. This will allow it to upload customer lists regularly, or you can set up API integrations for full automation. The results improve dramatically when feedback flow is consistent and turnkey. So that's the core process for setting up your first location inside Reviewly.ai. From connection to customization, it takes just minutes to get a client ready to start collecting powerful reviews. Whether you're onboarding a local restaurant or a multi-location brand, this setup flow is built to scale fast and friction-free. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.